Guys, in this video, we will be learning Pandas series sorting function in Python. We have two functions, sort values, sort index, right? I am using editor PyCharm and Python version 3.12 is installed on my computer. Before getting started with any of the implementation, you have to install Pandas library first and then you can use its feature in Python code. To install Pandas library on your computer, you have to open your command prompt or you can open your terminal from PyCharm editor and then type in one command, that is pip install pandas. Okay, once you execute this command, pandas library will be installed. If you want to install other library like numpy, you can type in the command pip install numpy. Okay, now let's get started with our today's tutorial. As you know, pandas series is nothing but a column where we have multiple rows, or you can say we have multiple values. For example, you can take an Excel. There is one column and we have n number of rows in that column, right? So let me create a quick series here. I have to install first pandas. I'll also import numpy to get some null value, right? We will be creating a new series, right? We'll be using pd.series function and then we will be saying np.nan. Okay, if you run the program, you will see the output as this series, right? Okay, if you want to apply the sort values function, you can easily do that as dot sort values, right? If you take the output of this result, so you will get the output. So you will get the output in ascending order, right? 1 2 3 4 and then null value. Okay, if you want to make it ascending false, so you can use one parameter, right? False means we will be getting descending order, right? If you run the program, so you will get your top value at first, right? You see 4 3 3 2 1, it is decreasing order, right? If you see the documentation of sort values for series, so these arguments seems to be the same as we were getting on data frame sort value function, right? We have ascending, in place, kind, and a position, ignore indexes, and key, right? So same parameters you can use, but you have to watch the previous video, that is DataFrame.sort function. Okay, if you want to use NA position, you can use null value either should be first or it should be at last. So let me make it last. So it is already last if you're in the program, so there is no impact, right? If you make it first, then it will shown at first positions, right? You see your null value would be first, then your sorting will be applied. If you put one more null value at last, np.nan, right? So then your null values rows would be shown at first, you see, right? And then your sorting is applied. Okay, you can customize your index value as well. Here you could see it is auto generated 0 to 6. If you want to make your own index, then you can use a index argument, right? Let's say 100, 200, right? We have 7 rows, so your index would be shown as this value, right? Instead of 0 to 6, right? And the program, so you see your index are shown like this. Okay, now let's see what is sort index function with pandas series. I have some code handy to save some time. Let me paste it, right? It will create a new series with our customized index. Let me make it S1 and print it S1. So new series will be printed in the output window. So we have A, B, C, D and our index is 3, 2, 1, 4, right? Okay. If you want to apply sorting on this index, so you can use s1.sort index. Okay, and then you take your result 1. Okay, if you're in the program, so your data would be sorted, right? You see 1 2 3 4, your index has been changed, right, from this to this in sorted fashion. Okay, this is by default ascending order. If you want to make it descending, so you have to say ascending false, right? If you're in the program again, So you will see your index data is in ascending order. Okay. If you put one more value here, np dot null value, and you have, let me add one more value, e, right? If you're in the program, now I want to use my NA position, right? That is NA position. I want my null value would be appeared at first, and then sorting should be applied. So you will see in the output that your null value is showing at first and then sorting is applied. Okay. So this is how you can use NA position. So we have seen sort values and sort index function with pandas series.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.